So if we look at figure 12.6, so this is an approximate diagram of what is there in the book. Now it says we need to find the ratio of highest to lowest intensity. Now this line here is the lowest detectable intensity, or we call it threshold of hearing. So let's put a star mark here and connect that to this guy. So that's threshold of hearing. And this line right here is the threshold of pain. So let's put a green star over here, and that's our threshold of pain. So that's the range that we have on our hearing. Now at 100 hertz, so let's say